Pazdaikov, kad nematei. Look, he's attacking our friend, what the fuck? Kill him! No. That idiot attacks my friends, what the fuck, kill him. Why he attacks my friends? He's gonna get banned, don't worry. I'm gonna post this into forums. Don't lose our Klaus. Kill! Kill! I'm definitely gonna post this to forums. He will get banned forever. Pakirtau tą. Ateik greičiau. Pakirtau greičiau, ateik. They're gonna get banned, don't worry. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Don't worry. Don't worry, dude. He's gonna get banned, don't worry. Smite. E. I'm gonna die. Tell admins. Tell admin. Oh my god. Wait there. Wait there, we're gonna get back. Don't worry, we're gonna tell admins. They lured us. Do you have gold VIP? Do you have gold VIP? Take anything, we will go again. Are you filming this? We're gonna tell admins, don't worry. Get ready. Get ready, we will go again. Are they still there? Do you have any items? They don't. Aren't they attacking you? Get potted up. Get potted up. Don't, don't worry, we will tell admins. They both gonna ban. Who? There aren't anyone. Where are they? What? I'm telling him to give back Klaus or he will get banned for luring. He will give back or he will get banned. Help me, that means. I said come to avatars. Give back Klaus or he gets banned. Are you recording this? Ладно, хорошо. If he has claws, we're gonna kill him. If he won't give it, we tell admin. Okay? Let's kill it. What? Let's kill it. Smite, use smite. Use smite. Wait, don't kill him, I don't spec. Oh, okay, kill. Use smite. I killed it! With spets, I killed him with spets. D-Klaus? Huh? Acabei? I get it. Ah, calma.